Welcome to Scenic Spice, your gateway to the breathtaking wonders of Canada. Today, we will take you on a journey like no other, exploring the vibrant cityscapes, serene winter landscapes, and untamed wilderness that define this extraordinary country. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Then, we journey to Banff, where nature takes center stage. Sporting wildlife here is like stepping into a dream. From majestic elk and graceful deer to the occasional bear, Banff National Park is home to over 53 species of mammals. It's Canada's oldest national park, established in 1885, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a place where every moment feels like a scene from masterpiece. Mount Norquay offers breathtaking views of Banff and beyond. Known for its ski slopes and iconic chairlift, this spot is perfect for panoramic vistas and thrilling adventures. Fun fact, Mount Norquay was named after John Norquay, Manitoba's first premier of Métis heritage. Next, we head to Edmonton, a city transformed into a winter wonderland, boasting one of North America's largest urban park systems. Edmonton offers over 20 parks that become snowy haven during winter. Picture yourself walking through serene trails surrounded by pristine snow, known as the gateway to the north. Edmonton's wide open roads and snowy landscapes truly capture Alberta's big sky country charm. A quick stop at IKEA, a hub of Scandinavian design and creativity, known for blending innovation and functionality. IKEA offers more than furniture, it's an experience. Fun fact, its founder, Ingvar Kamprad, started this global phenomenon at just 17 years old. So, what's your favorite IKEA place? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Scenic Spice, where every video is a ticket to adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep discovering the magic of Canada. Thank you.